Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday.
Monday.
Here we are on our way to work. These are the sunglasses that I ordered, and they're like super cheap on Amazon. They're like $1 sunglasses. Like, it's super hard to like move this, but I'll keep them until they break. And then I will return them for the $12 that I paid. Because they're like Dollar Tree sunglasses for sure. They're like even cheaper than Dollar Tree, I think, sunglasses. But it's what you get, what you don't, when you don't know what you want and you're not there. Yeah. Order online. Oh, they just went right through a stop sign, that woman did.
No care in the world.
No complete stop.
Oh, that's
horrible.
So bright.
It is, and I love it. I'm all about it.
Yes, it's going to be chance of rain today.
Yes, chance of rain and thunderstorms, they said today. High of 52, I believe, or 50. But
is it that warm?
Rain, they said, yeah. Rain later today. Shit!
Okay. What did you forget?
I forgot to take out the hamburger meat for the, God damn it. I knew I was forgetting something. For the meatloaf.
The meatloaf.
God damn it.
You were going to make the meatloaf?
I was, and it's frozen.
Oh.
I know. Shit.
That's not good.
No, it's not. Because I already have my vegetables cooking in the crock pot.
Well,
I cut up potatoes and carrots, and I put them in the crock pot this morning.
It's fine, my way.
So I'd have them. I wonder, can I defrost? I suppose I could probably defrost the meat in the mic. I know. Ooh, it's like completely frozen. Unless I go to the grocery store and buy some. Which is going to piss me off because I have enough in my freezer.
Well, you know.
God damn it. God damn it.
Dang.
Oh. God damn it.
Okay,
Well, where can I buy a meatloaf? Already made. Oh my God. That sucks.
Festival.
They have like a full meatloaf that you can buy. Oh, really?
They used to anyway.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And then you bake.
Dad's
and then
meatloaf,
I didn't like it though. See, and I bought the Colby cheese for it already. Fuck.
Well,
God damn it. It's Monday. Angela forgot to take out the meat.
it's Monday and it's just not starting over.
Yeah, and it's just starting. Oh, shit. Oh my God. How was your weekend? What did you do?
We had our wrestling match on Saturday.
Oh my God.
It is so funny. Oh my God. It is
And where is this at?
It's just at the dome in the back.
Oh my
It
God.
is just hilarious.
That's crazy.
Oh my God.
Can you like bet to see? Oh, okay. Because it's all like rigged.
But it is just so, oh my God.
That's hilarious.
Laugh. It's the best $15 I spend.
Yeah, that's funny.
I worked Friday.
Oh, look at the ice pushes.
Oh, yeah. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Interesting.
And what about you?
Well, I went to Fleet Farm and I bought this bird feeder because now I'm all about the birds. And it's a ground bird feeder, so the squirrels can go on the ground and eat the seed too. They don't need to. And then I also bought one of those cake feeders. So I have my cake feeder up that the chickadees love, and the ground feeder that the squirrels can go into, and the cardinals, because I have a female and a male cardinal that come visit me daily. And then I have chickadees. And then I have this other bird that comes And they're not around all the time. Usually just in spring is when I see them, but they're sticking around this time. It's like a gray bird that's dipped in black paint. So the black is like a little bit on the breast and all on the head, and then like half of it's black, and then the bottom is white, or like a whitish gray. I mean, I've seen them before, but it's not like a chickadee that like is here all the time. But it's the size of a chickadee, maybe a tiny little bit bigger. They're super cute though. So I have those birds.
Yeah, I want to get a couple of bird feeders.
Well, I had Fleet Farm points. All of those Fleet Farm bucks. So I had $15 of Fleet Farm bucks. So I thought, well, I might as well use them. Oh, were you just gonna go through the damn light and hit me, motherfucker? God! What is happening?
Wow.
What is going on? Jesus.
I don't know.
He was.
It appears
You saw
that way.
him. It appeared. Look at this one, abandoned bike. Want a free bike, Judy?
That's what's going to happen.
Oh my God.
That would not be
So
good.
you guys, I'm gonna make it well, not a daily thing, but a whenever I can thing about recording with the Indians.
Oh Lord.
Because now I have 3 recordings up on YouTube of the Indians. This last one was a woman this time. I don't think you heard the woman.
No, I only heard the one.
Okay, so I'll have to play you the woman before we go inside. But yeah.
You must really be bored that you are listening to telemarketers.
I'm not bored. I just think it's absolutely hilarious. And I think it's funny that I'm wasting their time when they could be scamming somebody else.
Yeah.
And I honestly think that that guy who was giving me his social security number, I think he was giving me someone else's social security number that just was from Michigan that just gave it to him, which is sick. Sick. And it also makes other people aware of things that are going on. So people who watch my channel, if they see it, they'll know, oh, this is a scammer. I saw this on her channel type of thing. So no, Judy, I'm not bored. I just think it's funny and it amuses me. Oh my goodness, these cars.
It does amuse you.
Oh, Lord. Here we go. And we're here.
Yes.
Oh, Lord help us. I bought coffee this morning. I think
Did you ever go
praline.
to Door County?
No, I never did. My mom flaked out on me. I got toasted praline is what I got. Yes.
The East Coast got, not East Coast, the West Coast got hit with snow.
Orange County. Because that's where that bitch is from. Orange County. Okay, guys. If you have missed this video.
Bitch.
Yes. If you have, or if you're watching this video and you have missed the video that I posted this morning, go click on that. It was of a woman who was trying to sell me, I can't remember what, something. She was trying to scam me. So anyway, go click on that video. I hope you guys all have a great day.
Yes.
See you all later.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. And don't forget to say something positive out in the universe today. Whether
Always
it be
positive.
chant something, I don't know. Just be happy. Even if you're not happy, pretend like you are happy.
Just breathe and relax.
How you doing? Okay, bye guys.